Okay, isn't that amazing? 50k subscribers in less than 2.5 years.
Dad, that's absolutely amazing, Dad. That's incredible. Hello and assalamu alaikum. We're feeling really humbled right now. There are 50,000 amazing people like yourself who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Now, we've never imagined in our wildest dream that we would reach 50k subscribers in less than 2.5 years.
When we first started our YouTube channel, we had one aim. Our aim was to inspire as many young people as possible to learn how to grow their own food.
I think we have a special channel and we have a special audience from young to old, from the west of the globe to the east and from the north to the south.
I am so happy. Our message is spreading and our YouTube family is growing. Inshallah, with your support, this time next year, we will reach 100,000 subscribers. We're giving our garden a brand new makeover. As I'm speaking, the builders are working in our garden, so it might be a bit noisy, so accept my apology.
So in today's video, we'll give you a tour of our vegetable garden. We'll show you the changes that we're making to our garden, and we will show you what's left to be harvested in our greenhouse.
So without further ado, Dad, let's get started.
Let's get started. It's the 13th of November and we have many chili plants in this greenhouse, and they are very healthy, and there are many chilies ready for harvesting. Now, this is one of my favorite. It's the Kenyan chilies. This is the Carolina Reaper, the Bad Boy Naga chili, and this is the Scotch bonnet.
This plant still looks very healthy. It's got more chilies than leaves on this plant.
We've been harvesting chilies from this chili plant from the month of June. The amount of chilies we still have on this plant, you'd be so surprised.
And it's still producing heavily, Dad.
It's still producing heavily. Now, this chili they are white to begin with, very light green to begin with, and then
they turn like an orangey color.
It's nice and spicy and it produces heavily. Now, we plant most of our chilies in containers such as this, and we seem to do very well.
This year we have planted a few chili plants in the ground and they have done really well. Look at the size of these chili plants. At one point, this chili plant was up to here and we had to chop it down because it was too tall.
Now, this is one of my favorite chili. It's the black Krishna chili. Originates from Sylhet, Bangladesh. They start off with green color and then they turn black and eventually then they turn red. And they produce heavily, and it's a very spicy chili. Now, as you can see, still producing in the month of November, still flowering and producing heavily.
Dad, these are the chilies that we used for our chili challenge. They were so spicy.
Yes, just in case you missed that video, we made a video, I think last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was last year.
We did a chili challenge, me and Akib, to see how many chilies, raw chilies that we can eat. So just in case you missed that video, it's quite a funny video. I think you should watch that.
We'll leave the link in the description down below, or you can click that eye up here and it will take you straight to that video.
Now, this is a lemon plant we're trying to overwinter in this greenhouse. It has produced many lemons for us for this year, and it's still producing many lemons. But unfortunately, the season in UK is not long enough to get the lemon ripe. So I'm hoping we should get few lemons from this plant by spring.
Dad, we still have a few aubergines we could harvest.
Oh, wow.
We had a great season for aubergines. We harvested we harvested a lot.
Oh, this is the snake-looking aubergine, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, got a few more left.
Guys, take a look at these bad boys.
Oh, these are the Carolina
Carolina
Reaper.
Reaper.
We are growing that plant in the hydroponic method, in that planter there. So this is something that we designed ourselves. So there's water in here with nutrient, and we have beautiful looking Carolina Reaper.
These are the spiciest chilies in the world.
Yes, it's the hottest chili in the world.
They look so beautiful, but
They look dangerous.
they're devilish,
They look
Dad.
devilish, don't they?
Yeah.
And the one above that, that's the
Upside down.
upside down chilies. Now, you must be wondering why we're growing chilies upside down. Now, if I just step back a bit, so we have a chili plant at the bottom here, and that space at the top is empty. So if you can actually make good use of that, that would be fantastic, isn't it? So what we did was, so we have the plant at the bottom, and this empty space, we planted this planter, and we have a plant growing from underneath and actually going upward.
This plant hasn't done that bad. It still produced some chilies.
Yes, producing lots of chilies, yes.
At first, I thought it was a silly idea, Dad. But look how many chilies it's starting to produce.
We've been harvesting a lot of chilies from this plant for the past couple of months.
But Dad, this is one of my favorites. The rainbow chilies. It's not too spicy. It's got like a slight sweetness to it. This is why I like these
I like
chilies.
the colour. It looks beautiful. You have different colours.
Dad, this is one of your favorite chilies.
Yes, this is my favourite. This is one of the spiciest green chilies that we are growing. So they start off green and then they
Reddish
turn red.
colour.
And it's very, very spicy.
Dad, I think we should give everyone a sneak peek of what's happening in our garden.
I think we should, yes. Shall we?
Yes, let's give it. Let's start from the front of the garden. This brick wall over here is going to be replaced with new bricks. And these old slabs are going to be replaced with these new porcelain slabs. They're going to look beautiful. This turf on my left is going to be dug out, and we're going to replace it with slabs. We're going to use the same slabs as the slabs we're using on the pathway. So everything looks the same and it matches.
And we're going to actually replace it with the same colour slabs that we're adding at the front and on the side of the garden. It looks a bit messy, but it's going to look beautiful when everything is done and finished. So hopefully on the next video we'll show you how this was done. As we're recording this video, the builders are working at the back. Now we had to remove all the old decking because the last builder has done a really terrible job. So we had to replace everything. I'm hoping when everything is done, this is going to look beautiful. Hopefully in the next video we'll show you the finishing result of the changes that we made to our garden. I'm hoping it will look beautiful.
Dad, it's already starting to look beautiful now.
It's a little messy now, but I'm sure it's going to look amazingly nice.
Yeah, me too.
I really hope so, because we are putting a lot of time and effort and money into it, so it should look nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit the subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload.
And thank you so much for the 50k subscribers. Thank you so much. We could not have done this without you.
Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.